What's up, guys? We're here at the HM testing with Champ ADV, and we made a few bike changes, some critical things that we caught as well on the race bike. And it feels like you could just like smash something a little bit easier.
Yeah, like I went to like one of the G outs that I'm always scared to hit on the pre-runner, or like to jump over, and I was like, oh,
Okay, good.
I was like, oh yeah, okay, yeah.
You have confidence.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is right there. I can see it leaking out of the hose right there. I don't even know if that's the right pack. That's just what I had in the drawer.
Grab
I
the
can
one
find
off.
another one.
We have a CB4 cap, doesn't show the rating. This is a 1.1 stock Honda cap. This feels like it might be higher, somewhere in the 1.8 range. You can buy a stock cap off of a Kawasaki, like K65, and it'll have a 1.8. The spring's more aggressive, and we're just doing it by feel currently, and that spring is definitely more aggressive than the stock one. So put the CB4 one on, because we might have just a little leak coming out of here.
Maybe the front end's a little touchy.
No, there's no fit.
Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking twitchy.
Yeah.
Stabilizer feels low or feels high.
Like that, it's just like a little bit like when it should just be like.
That's a nice measurement. That's cool.
With the temperature and everything, we're at 103. So the shock's getting hot, got a little more push. We're gonna take a little bit of spring out, spring tension.
Well, that spring would make it.
So we're gonna make a sag adjustment. And the reason we're making a sag adjustment, we've already kind of went over this at the Champ Ranch, and we were at a certain level. We just checked the sag again after we got the shock nice and hot, and it was more measured at like 104. So we're gonna take some spring tension out because Carter's feeling a little bit of front end twitch. So that means the chassis might be pushing too hard on the fork, if that makes sense. So we'll take the spring out, the rear end will come down just a little bit, be more balanced. We won't have any more of that twitch, hopefully. We've got, nobody forgot anything. So it was just a minor chain roller.
My bad. I forgot to put it on. My first bike build, so
We mounts under the frame. We did a full, rebuild on this bike, so we forgot a chain roller. We're putting it on now. It's no big deal. So these are the reasons. These are the reasons you actually come test with AHM Factory Services. You build a brand new race bike. Maybe you think that suspension is the only option, but we're breaking this bike in, and when you break a bike in, things come apart, things come loose. Maybe you realize you forgot a chain roller, whatever it is. But once you do this step, you're prepared going to race day because you know your bike's solid.
glad we came to test, and we're thankful for HM and everyone that's helping out, because if we didn't come to test, there might have been some issues with leaking radiator coolant or chain roller, or the bike just not feeling as good as we wanted it to. So I'm here with my teammate now, Gunnar Carlson, and we're stoked.
Awesome, good luck you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, not even close.
And I try hard to bottom stuff, you know, like the base, some bumps.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to take a little bit of spring out, just a little. Because I think it'll flat track better for you too on like some of the, it'll stick a little better.
Make the
too.
back a little bit lower too, right?
Yeah. I went 4. Softer on the 4. I didn't check where it was at. I just
open more.
yeah. When the handlebars over the clicker
It's so
adjustment.
hard to, you know, there's nothing
Yeah.
here.
So I don't, because you can ruin the clicker adjustment. So
So-
I didn't go in. I just went out. But I'm sure. Yeah, 14s. If you haven't touched it, it was at 14. So I
Now
think
it's
that's
18.
yeah, that's okay. Especially when you're Ironmaning.
Yeah.
It
I
would
need to buy
just-
comfortable care.
It's much better to start comfortable or a little soft, in my opinion. And if you needed a little more, you could add a pit, turn it. I know, you know. Can you tell?
Definitely.
Better or worse?
Softer, but better.
Okay.
I just want to say down the bottom and then.
Like you definitely used it better here.
Yeah, so 1 inch left.
Yeah. Which is better. You're more in range. That's good.
And I feel much better. Like it feels, you know,
Yeah.
softer.
You want to try more or are you good there? Happy. Yeah.
Cool.
How was your ability to flat track on like the
I feel maybe like the rim, maybe like bouncing like the rebound maybe. I think you should put the rebound like a little bit.
Okay.
I feel like it like I go with this.
Yeah, let's see.
Stick it off here.
I mean, I'll go in 1 click or 2 on rebound for you so you can feel it.
Yeah.
What's up, dirt bike enthusiasts? I'm here representing AHM Factory Services. We've got an Ironman racer, number 715, Gabby Abayov. He's raced last year, he's raced many years actually, and he decided, obviously he's got a ripping dirt bike here. He's got AHM suspension, and it was already good. He decided he needed a few little clicker changes potentially. And I saw that he wasn't quite using all of his suspension. So we went out on his fork a little bit to make it soft. What's important is he's Ironmanning. So we got to start this race plush and the bike needs to feel nice. So that's what we did, right?
Yeah, I did also the 250 in San Felipe
Yeah.
with the whoops over there, and I wish I met you there also before the race because it was very complicated. And now the bike was very good from the beginning. I didn't have any complaint, but you make like a small adjustment, and sometimes, you know, 2-3 clicks here, 2-3 clicks there makes a big huge difference, especially when it's a very long ride, probably over 15 hours or something. So it's make a huge difference, and I want to thank you, Colton, and thank you AHM and the support, and you are the best.